Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to GT Updates and welcome to our another technical videos. In this video, I am Ganesh and let's know something different about technology. So guys, let's get started.
Let it bang, bang.
In this video, I am going to discuss about laptop versus desktop and which is actually better and more helpful for us. When it comes to choose a desktop or laptop, everyone has a personal choice for it, and obviously he will prefer that which is actually best for his work. Those who are thinking about to buy a laptop or desktop and confused about that which is actually better, so I think this video can help them and guide properly. There are many advantages and disadvantages in both laptop and desktops. So this video has all the information and watch the whole video without skipping. I hope these pros and cons will be clear. In terms of costing, the advantages of desktop is more than laptop. If you compare a same configuration of laptop and desktop, then from the point of view of costing, the desktop will be ahead because the price of the desktop is relatively low and every parts of the desktop is cheaper than laptop parts. In case of portability, the best option is laptop. Desktop is not helpful for it because laptops can be carried anywhere with a laptop case or backpack. Any presentation or project purpose, laptop is very helpful and easier, and it only takes a little space to keep it. So in that case, laptop obviously wins every time. In case of assembling laptop and desktop, both have some negative and positives. Like a desktop can be assembled as your wish, but for laptop it's not possible to do it for some cases. A lot of space needed to assemble and set up a desktop, but laptops can assemble in very few places. For those who need a big screen in terms of screen size, they should choose a desktop because a laptop has maximum screen size in 17.3 inches, and from that direction desktop monitor is available in large size than laptop. If you don't have any criteria for screen size, then you can choose a laptop. Otherwise, desktop is more better for it. In terms of performance between laptop and desktop, the desktop is ahead because the performance of a desktop is little bit better than a laptop. If I talking about GPU, laptop GPU versus desktop GPU can be made a separate dedicated video. I am not going into the depth of this video about GPU, then the video can become lengthy. So if the laptop does not have a built-in graphics card, then you can't install it later separately. But in case of desktop, graphics card should be installed or changed separately, or it's possible to upgrade easily. And there is also a huge difference between desktop GPU and laptop GPU, like heating issue mechanism, hardware, etc. If you want to use GPU for professional work, long time gaming, high resolution editings, then desktop is the best option for you. From the point of view of upgrade, the desktop is still ahead because each parts of the desktop can be changed or upgraded, but there are very few parts can be upgraded in laptop. So in that case, desktop beats to laptop. Desktop is also ahead in terms of software and gaming. Nowadays, latest game and softwares need very high specifications. The high specification hardware parts can be managed properly on the desktop, and the cooling system on the desktop can also be perfectly managed. That's why the high specification hardware parts can be used in a good way. Multiple hardware parts can also be used on the desktop, but in case of laptop, which is very limited space available, so it's not possible to install multiple hardware parts in laptop. In case of power usage, a desktop consumes more power than a laptop because of hardware components of desktop is more than a laptop. If you do not have any UPS or inverter, then in power off conditions a desktop is not possible to run. But from the point of view of in power off conditions for laptops inbuilt battery is giving minimum 2 to 3 hours backup, which is actually good for us. For the versatility, laptop ahead than desktop. Nowadays, lot of extra features are available in latest laptop, but they are not available in a desktop. Costly laptop have a lot of built-in smart features like touchscreen, foldable, flexibility, etc. Also, among the costly high-spec laptops, you will get the benefit of both tab and laptop. All laptops have a built-in camera and mic, which is different in the case of desktop. External mic and webcam is to connect, but the quality of the laptop's built-in camera is not very good. So in that case, we need to connect a good quality webcam like a desktop. Beside the all sides, the biggest positive point of laptop is its portability. So guys, the video is ending here. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the notification icon for our next tech updates. Bye.